If you've ever found yourself annoyed that Office keeps saving files in a weird format, or tucks them away somewhere you can never find, today's tutorial is going to make your life a whole lot simpler. I'll walk you through step by step how to set your go-to file format and make sure your Office documents save straight to your OneDrive folder by default. By the end of this, every time you hit save, your files will be right where you want them, in the format you actually use. So let's jump in. First things first, open up any Microsoft Office application on your computer. You can use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, whichever you happen to work with most. For this demo, I'll open Word. Don't worry, the process is nearly identical across all the Office apps. Now look to the top left and click on File, then select Options near the bottom of the menu. It might seem like a small step, but Options is basically the control center for your Office experience. If you've never explored here, you're about to gain some powerful new control over how your files behave. A dialog box will pop up. Take a second if it feels a bit overwhelming. There's a lot in here, but right now we're just interested in the left sidebar. Find and click on Save. This section is where all the magic happens for how your files are stored, both locally and in the cloud. Right up top, you'll see a drop-down labeled something like Save Files in this format. This is super important. By setting this, you won't accidentally save your Word file as an ancient doc when you actually want, or your Excel sheet as a format that won't open on your phone. Drop down the list and pick your preferred format. Usually the default is DOCX for Word, XLSX for Excel, and PPTX for PowerPoint. It's worth making sure this matches what your colleagues, clients, or devices prefer. For example, if you often need to email someone who uses older software, you might pick an older format here, but for most people, the latest default is the safest bet. Next, look a bit lower for Save to Computer by default. Make sure to check this box. This tells Office, hey, put my new files on this PC instead of in some cloud location I can't track. But importantly, we're going to point it to your OneDrive folder, so those files will still end up synced online. Below, you'll see Default Local File Location. This is where your files will pop up by default when you save them. Click Browse and navigate to your OneDrive folder. It'll look something like C/users/your name/OneDrive/documents. If you're not sure where that is, just open the OneDrive app, right-click on the Documents folder and select Properties. You'll find the full path there. Paste or type it in and you're all set. Hit OK to save everything. Nice. From now on, every time you go to save, or just press Ctrl+S, your Save As window is going to pop up right inside your OneDrive Documents folder. No more endless searching through downloads or desktop folders to find what you just wrote. What's great is that the OneDrive Sync app will automatically take those saved files and back them up to the cloud. So whether you switch computers at work or open your phone at home, your files will be right where you expect them. And that's it. No more lost files, no more weird formats, just smooth, organized saving every single time. If this made your workflow a bit easier, go ahead and hit that like button. Got a question or need help finding your OneDrive folder? Drop it in the comments below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart Office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.